Becky with the Hurst Public Library. I am here to show you a craft for our STEM engine. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And we are doing a bee-themed craft today out of this wonderful book from our junior nonfiction section called Honeybees. It is by Cindy Blaubaum. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this craft is going to show us a fun thing that we can create to make a buzzing sound. Bees buzz, as we all know. So it's a pretty simple craft. We need craft sticks, whatever size you happen to have, rubber bands, toothpicks. The markers are optional, but of course make it extra fun. And then paper. So you can use whatever kind of paper you have, or you can use different kinds of paper to make an experiment and find out if different kinds of paper make a different noise. So I actually have some different kinds of paper here that I have already made that I'll try out for you at the end. But I have just a regular copy paper weight. I have a cardstock weight, and then I have a wax paper. So I think I'm just going to use the regular copy paper weight. And what you want to do is whatever size craft stick you have, you want to place it on your paper, and with your pencil, you're going to trace out the shape. And then with your scissors, you're just going to cut that out. You can cut it a little bit smaller, but you don't really want to cut it any bigger, so just aim for the insides of your lines. And then you also want the scissors for cutting your toothpicks. So your toothpicks need to be cut into sections that are as wide as your craft stick. So you're going to cut smaller sections if you have a smaller craft stick. So I'm going to cut the pointy end off. And try not to send my toothpick bits flying across the room, which is what usually happens. Just like that. So we need two sections of toothpick that are as wide as our craft stick. There we go. And we need two craft sticks. And the markers are to decorate your craft stick. You can do absolutely anything you want. I made a Be Yourself craft stick. This one just has stripes. This one has squiggles. Looks very much like an Easter egg. You can do whatever you like on your craft stick. A little smattering of hearts on there to finish these guys off. All right. So you have the decorated side of your craft stick. That's what you want to be the outside. So make sure that you're putting the plain sides facing together. You're going to take one of your toothpick pieces and lay it down. And then you're going to lay your paper on top of that. And then the other toothpick piece on top of the paper. So on one side, you want the paper on top of the toothpick, and on the other side you want the toothpick on top of the paper. And now you put your plain sides facing together. This is the tricky part. I found that it's easiest for me to sort of hold it over the edge of the table so that I can get the rubber band around it without making the whole thing fall apart. And if you put the rubber band too far in over where the toothpicks are, then you'll end up pinching your craft sticks together, and that will not make the sound, not allow the sound to happen. So here we go. We're going to make our bee buzz just by blowing on one side or the other like a harmonica. fun. So that was the copy paper. Let's see, this one is cardstock. A little higher pitched. This one is the waxed paper. Even higher pitched. So there you go. You can make a bee buzzer to annoy everyone in your family all summer long.